we wanted to take the action to the new level. We wanted to make a much bigger and better film. Nobody gave a chance that Commando 1 will be a hit. And since it was a hit, the responsibility to make a better film was that much more. And so it's taken a long time really to conceive, write, design the action, go ahead and shoot the whole film, cast, everything. So it's been a very, very difficult film to make in that sense. But the outcome is really, really satisfying.
I think it started about a year and a half back. जब विपुल ने अचानक ही मुझे पूछ लिया कि कमांडो 2 तू डायरेक्ट करेगा क्या? I said hello. मतलब मजाक के लिए कुछ और बोलते. And he was serious. So I took a couple of days to think about it, whether I was prepared for it or not. And then I said yes, let's do it. Let's start thinking about it at least. And I'm really thankful to Vipul. He's my best friend and we are like brothers.
Deven Bhojani has been a great experience. He is certainly a big surprise, not because of his craft, but because of his understanding for action. Everybody knows he's a great actor. Everybody knows he's superb with his comedy timing. But very few people know that he's one of the nicest human beings I have encountered. He's got a great temperament. I think the kind of temperament you require for action, because when you're on an action set, there's a lot of chaos happening. You need somebody who's very calm and composed. That is Deven Bhojani.
I'm really thankful to God कि मेरी पहली फिल्म में मुझे विद्युत जामवाल जैसा कलाकार मिला. क्या ज़बरदस्त एक्शन करता है, क्या इन्वॉल्वमेंट है उसका. और विद्युत इतने एंथुजियास्टिक थे और हम सबका की एनर्जी वो बढ़ाते थे. चलो
stand by guys, here we go. Three, two, one, action guys!
विद्युत तो हमारे पास थे ही. फिर कास्टिंग चली दूसरे कलाकारों की. लगभग 2 से 3 महीने लग गए कास्टिंग को. पर एक में मैं फंस गया था, हीरोइन नहीं मिल रही थी. काफ़ी लड़कियों के स्क्रीन टेस्ट लिए, लगभग 40-45 गर्ल्स वी स्क्रीन टेस्टेड, पर वो बात नहीं मुझे दिखाई दे रही थी किसी में भी. फाइनली हमें अदा शर्मा मिल गई और अदा ने इतना अच्छा ऑडिशन दिया कि मुझे लगा हाँ यही है वो लड़की जिसकी मुझे तलाश थी.
So when I read that scene to audition for, I was like, I love this, I want to do this, I have to kill this audition and do this, has to be the best audition ever. And then I auditioned for it and I finished the audition and I was like, this is the best audition I've given ever, is what I thought in my head. But these guys didn't call me back for 2 months. And I was in Hyderabad. Then I forgot about it because after like a month I said, I don't know, maybe they got somebody else. Destiny, and thanks to Vipul sir, Deven sir and Honey Trehan, whoever decided and watched that audition and thought that I should do this role, because I've had so much fun doing it.
Blessed to be working with 2 actresses, Ada Sharma and Isha Gupta. Both phenomenal girls, both lovely people to work with. When we were doing action, it was very difficult to see the girls stand in sun. So I used to send my guy and say, please give them an umbrella. But they were as strong, or maybe stronger than the men on the sets. And yes, when you've got such great company and you've got people who are having fun, the movie does turn out to be very good.
Vidyut obviously was always going to be the commando. And then we had 2 very interesting female characters which form the love triangle of the film. One is played by Ada. She's playing a Hyderabadi cop, a little funny. She's a corrupt cop, but small corruption. She is fun-loving. She wants to live the life to its fullest, and she has a basic innocence which makes her corruption looked not so bad.
ऑफ कोर्स काम में तो इतना मन लग रहा था कि बाकी कुछ याद ही नहीं रहा था, सूझ नहीं रहा था, लेकिन रात को जब थका हारा घर जाता था, आई मीन होटल जाता था, तो फिर अकेले कमरे में बीवी याद आती थी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, कि हाय बीवी आकर एक पानी का गिलास भी दे दे तो बड़ा मज़ा आ जाए. सो पर ऑफ कोर्स वो तो लाइक यू नो कि ये तो काम था और वो तो घर ये है वो है, फिर अचानक सो जाता था. अचानक एक दिन पता चला मेरी वाइफ आ गई वहाँ.
Devin was there for almost 75 days, and he kept telling me that I don't want distraction, I just want to make my film. But I was feeling that he's really missing his family. He is feeling the emptiness, and so I thought that I should call the family.
And I was not aware of it. बाद में पता चला कि विपुल ने मेरे लिए सरप्राइज प्लान किया था और you know my wife just landed there.
That little surprise became quite a big surprise. For the first time, I saw Devin crying when he met Jagu and Hiram. Rahi, his elder daughter, was in US at that time. She couldn't come. But when he saw them for the first time, he just burst into tears and he said, "Okay, I'm just going to see you tomorrow." And he disappeared. And next morning, he was a very, very happy man, very satisfied and relieved. Yeah, so I think. Looking at how hard he was working and how lonely he was feeling, I thought this was the least that I could have done.
The experience of shooting in Bangkok, number one, was very good because I think the stunt teams over there are phenomenal. The stunt men are very good. They're very well trained. So if I expected something from them, they were doing things which were much better. And you will see in Commando 2, the results are spectacular.
विपुल एज ए प्रोड्यूसर मुझे हमेशा सपोर्ट करता आया. इसमें मेरी इच्छा थी कि अब्रॉड लोकेल्स पर शूटिंग करें. थाईलैंड टू बी प्रिसाइज, मैं थाईलैंड में बैंकॉक में शूटिंग करना चाहता था क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट की वो डिमांड थी और बड़े स्केल पर मैं ले जाना चाहता था. बहुत स्टाइलाइज्ड और ग्लैमराइज्ड फिल्म को बनाना चाहता था, एक लुक देना चाहता था, एक विजन था मेरे दिमाग में, जिस बारे में मुझे विपुल ने सपोर्ट किया और फाइनली डिसाइड हुआ कि हम लोग थाईलैंड में शूटिंग करें. सो लोकेशन देखी तो हो गई, फाइनली लोकेशन ज़ीरो डाउन हो गए. हमारे एक्शन डायरेक्टर भी आए और कुछ रेकी, कुछ लोकेशन की रेकी उनके साथ हुई, टेक्निकल रेकीज हुई. फाइनली हमारी शूटिंग शुरू हुई और ज़बरदस्त एंथुजियाज़म के साथ शूटिंग शुरू हुई. लेकिन शुरू होने के 4-5 दिन बाद ही बारिश होना शुरू हो गई. और इतनी बारिश कि अब क्या करें. और हम लोग वेदर प्रेडिक्शन देखते थे लेकिन कभी कभार वो भी रॉन्ग हो जाता था. बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबल बारिश थी. तो काफ़ी दिनों ऐसा हुआ कि हम जो शूट प्लान कर रहे थे वो हो नहीं पाता था और कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हम में से कोई भी करना नहीं चाहता था. सो फाइनली ऑफकोर्स हम लोग शेड्यूल को रीजगल करते रहते थे. उतने में हुआ यूँ कि एक एक्शन स्टंट करते हुए तो विद्युत के पाँव में इंजरी हो गई.
I offered him to cancel the shoot and come back, but I have to give him a lot of credit that with the injured foot, he's done all the action that you can see, because I think he got injured on day 3 or day 4, and we were going to be there for 27 or 28 shooting days, and doctors told him not to do action at all, and I told him that let's regroup, we'll come back, and I was thinking that at the end of those couple of days we are going to pack and go back, but that never happened and Vidyut pulled it through.
Commando 2, I would say there were no injuries, but we had like a few stitches and we had a few bones that were broken, but I consider it to be a part of action, so there were no injuries. It's just normal, regular day at work.
France and we've done a lot of work together. I know him since 2008 and I really think that he's grown huge.
हमारे एक्शन डायरेक्टर फ्रांस हैं और ही इज़ अ वेरी क्रिटिकली अक्लेम्ड एक्शन डायरेक्टर इन हॉलीवुड जो साउथ अफ्रीका के हैं. उनकी एक अपनी ज़बरदस्त टीम है. उस टीम के बारे में क्या कहूँ, इतना एफिशिएंटली काम करते हैं, इतना हार्ड वर्क करती हैं, बहुत मेहनत करती हैं, बहुत रिहर्सल करती हैं, बहुत प्रैक्टिस करती हैं और जान की भी परवाह किए बिना वो लोग स्टंट्स करते हैं.
Here in the Bangkok fresh food market, it's part of our parkour chase sequence we're going to be doing with Karan. So we started this morning really early to try and get some shots of him running through the major streets chasing the car.
uses these little alleyways and things to make ground and try and catch up with a moving vehicle. But in the alleyways that we've set up for the shoot, we've got numerous obstacles in his way which he needs to then overcome. One being a super cool gag which we've just done now, which is the slide rig.
People have seen him flying over the car in Commando 1, but going below the Jeep is something that is new. And it was a moving car, and he just went through that, below that car, and it was, according to me, the most spectacular stunt.
The most amazing thing is that we used to wake up in the morning, watch Commando 1, the action pieces, and then go back on the sets very charged to be able to do something better than what we had done.
Of course, there is one beautiful sequence which is called the Blade Runner sequence, and if you've seen in the trailer, people wearing those contraptions in their legs and they jumping all around and they're fighting with them.
It's called the Blade Runner sequence. So we've got these guys on these stilts that these guys can run really fast and jump really high and do all sorts of acrobatic tricks. And they're going to have these blades that come out of their sleeves here. So they're going to be attacking Bhavna and Karan in amongst the plane yard.
I have worked with Franz on Commando 1, so he's a great action director. On the second part, the better part was that we both gelled even more. We knew each other, we knew what we could do, and it was great camaraderie between us. His team is very good, and the Indian stunt team that we had taken with us was as good. So the total amalgamation of everybody was very, very good.
So a very lean, muscular man has just done all the stunts through those tiny windows, jumping off cars. I think he's spectacular.
So there's some really, really cool stunts we've done here with some major tracking action. A lot of profile stuff with this mad Bangkok crew all over the place running. It's been a really good day. We've had to push the crew really hard, but we've got some amazing stunts.
There was also a scene in the church where we were shooting, and every time we looked at each other's face, we laughed, and it was like crazy, intense laughter, which is like, you know, when your stomach hurts and you have to laugh. So I don't know how I did the serious scenes. I just dubbed for that scene, and they've edited it and made it look really nice.
दोनों किस करते हैं और फिर ये डायलॉग बोलते हैं. So they started laughing, और वहाँ से वो laughing उनका शुरू हुआ. वो इतना चलता रहा कि हम लोग वो शूट करते थे, शॉट के बाद शॉट लिए जाते थे, और वो जैसे ही किस की नौबत आती थी वो एक दूसरे के नज़दीक आते थे और हंसना शुरू कर देते थे. और पहले तो हम लोग सब भी हंसने लगे, पूरा यूनिट हंसने लगा कि हाँ हाँ हाँ. फिर अगेन वन मोर, अरे सॉरी यादा वुड से, विद्युत ऑल्सो वुड से, अरे सॉरी सर. और फिर फाइनली अगेन वन मोर एंड एक्शन. ये है वो, अगेन वो लोग नज़दीक आते थे और जैसे ही लिप्स नज़दीक आने लगे और दोनों हंसना शुरू कर देते थे. वो बोला अच्छा ठीक है चलो यार हो गया, अभी नाउ जस्ट मेरी डे लाइट जा रही है और उससे पहले मुझे सीन ख़त्म करना है.
And Devendra sir has been very, very patient with us. At the most, he used to like point out at his watch and then point out at the sun and be like, Ada, because like light is gone and sun is setting, so like, Ada, please hurry up and don't misbehave anymore. quickly, too fast, like that.
तेरे दिल में क्या है तू बता रे, नैनों से ही कर ले तो इशारे.
Kind of action I've done is simpler than answering these questions. So that was funny. ये बात सच्ची भी है.
He'll watch this and take this out on me.
Ada is asking me to say that she is my favorite actress.
This is a dance.
The last day of Commando 2 has just wrapped up and it's pretty exciting, and as you can see they've been throwing everyone into water. So I've decided to go into water only if Naveen, Chiru sir and Deven sir are going into water. I'm definitely jumping there. Okay, come now. Sir, come on. You are.
For me, I think the next destination will be Commando 3, and the bigger destination will be able to surpass what we've done in Commando 2 also. Very eagerly looking forward to it, and I just personally believe that we'll give it 100% again.